Okay, now this is where we at with the mill. The box that you see sitting on the top of the mill is the DRO. It's come in. Like I say, I've been really busy. And then I've got the power wired, and I got the phase-o-matic on the back. I'm waiting on some help with electrical that may or may not happen. That's a personal situation that I'm not wanting to get into on YouTube. So today's project, and see here's some of the wiring. Today's project's going to be, I'm going to do some lathe work here in a little bit, because you know I have a wooden floor. So we have these lag bolts, and we're going to put the lag bolts in the floor. So that's today's project. We're going to make some bushings. Normally, what I'm going to, guys, I got a piece of 1.25 inch stock. Let me make sure it's tight in the chuck. Okay. And I'm going to turn it a little more than an inch. I'm going to face it off, obviously, but I'm right now just sitting here where it's stopping this. Roughly an inch. You don't have to be exact. It's not that thick. You know, I'll have to go back and get me a diameter in a second too. So there we go. And let me form a caliper. I've got them out to try to get a rough idea what these holes are. Okay. 990, 890. Okay, so we'll just face these off a little bit less than 890, and we'll make these probably about 850 or so, 860. We want these to drop in. So the first thing we're going to do here, I'm going to face this bad boy off. I'm looking good there, but I'm just not. I just need to go a little deeper on the chip. I want to get a little cut pull action. And here we go. me in the head. I'm bleeding. Get me a rag or paper towel. Okay. So, it's like about 100,000. Pop myself in it. All right. Calipers. This ain't gotta be dead nut. That's right there the size of the hole. So we can go about 20 under that. Done got wounded today. I ain't quite 20, that's 10. I want a little more than that. I want just a hair more. I'll face this off in the back end just a hair in a minute once I get. Oh yeah, that'll slide, should slide right down in that hole. We don't need a tight fit, we just need a loose fit. Okay, let's just go back here to the all I gotta do is poke a hole to it. We're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use this big center drill that I've got. Looks like I gotta invest in a, I thought I had a knocker, but I don't. Looks like I gotta invest in one. So, little bit. Kind of got it here facing here at the back, kind of. Maybe a little bit of machine shape with that. I'm not so sure because I believe it is. Let's try something here. Let's see if we can. Well, my camera mounts a little bit. Let's see if that's a little firmer for you. Not as much wiggle. You're back here with me in this, so man, we're gonna drill this fool out. I've got the power. The lathe's not the problem, actually. Maybe deep enough. Let me see. Oh yeah, we're plenty deep enough. Okay. Let's just get set up and cut off. I'll bring you back. I'll bring you back if I cut off. I'm real bad to use my power feed to cut off. A lot of people don't like to do that. I'm in pretty dang good luck with it. This is just plain old cold roll steel here. Oh, here's my favorite thing. Okay, I've got them all machined out. Now, basically, all I've got to do is I want to just face them real lightly on the other side and knock a little chamfer on them. It's not really a size, it's more just to clean them up. So I'm just going to kind of chuck them up. I don't care if I put a little few chuck marks on them, because all the truth about it is, all this is it's just going, there's plenty of clearance in a hole. Speed in here. Get our turning tool back in. Not really a size, I'm just cleaning them up so they'll have a nice smooth place for the bolt. There's enough slop in here if there's any burr, it's not really just going to matter a whole heck of a lot. Okay, alright, that's how we've got it bolted there, as you can see. And I'm getting down there to it. You can see that it's just basically what that was for. And like I say, that's pretty well got the mill down to where I want it. I hope you enjoy my videos. I try not to be real complex with these things. The projects I just do is things I do for myself, and I don't, little things I want to do for fun. So if you enjoy them, please subscribe. Please comment. So, enjoy the comments. Again, hope you enjoyed it. And till the next time we come out here and play around. See you later.